2023 Honda HR-V Sport Review, Redesign, Price. The 2023 Honda HR-V is amongst the most popular access stage crossovers in the marketplace, and for 2023, the product range kicks of having a starting up price of $21,020 to the FWD version and $22,520 to the AWD version, and should go all the way up approximately $27,320 for the best of the line XL version with AWD. This well-known crossover will certainly be a have-ahead design and will secure the 1.8 L 4-tube naturally aspirated engine punching out 141 Hewlett-Packard and 127 lb-ft of torque. The only noteworthy changes would be the discontinuation of your touring cut from your selection and some slight cosmetic changes in the form of new rims and incorporating privacy glass to the sport-toned 2023 Honda HR-V Sport Redesign. Exterior. The 2023 Honda HR-V has the same design as the extroverted 2020 product, and the only well-known change how the HR-V obtains is definitely the coming of any up-to-date alloy wheel design for all of the trims. Arriving with an MSRP of $21,020, including the bottom LX trim receives several well-known exterior features like 17-machine minimize alloy wheels, lip spoiler, and guided headlights and tail lights with LED DRLs. The HR-V also receives a number of non-obligatory features and deals such as the recommended 18-in equipment finished alloy tires, body side molding, hood airflow deflector, quick rooftop package, and tailgate spoiler for an MSRP of $2,530, $236, $177, $513, and $313, respectively. The 2023 Honda HR-V also comes in two optionally available colors, specifically nighttime amethyst metal and platinum white colored pearl, each of which are retailed for the MSRP of $395. All of the trims are available with projector beam headlights, a darker stainless grille, sporadic windshield wipers with rear defrosting as well. Fog lighting fixtures and roof rails can be a common supplement too on all of the trims other than the Foundation LX clip. Interior. The 2023 kind of Honda HR-V continues to be mostly unchanged through the outgoing 2020 model, and really the only notable inclusion would be that the Sport trim, which will come with an MSRP of $22,970, will now deliver with personal privacy cup from the factory. The quality of supplies used in the cabin is undoubtedly the ideal in type, and it gives feelings of beauty and finesse as well. Features like steering sound regulates, rear view mirrors, and an up-to-date Bluetooth interconnection will be in the 2023 HR-V as well. Several recommended features like gaming system brightness, interior background lighting, and auto-dimming vanity mirror are around for an MSRP of $262, $131, and $460, respectively. The sitting format is defined to be exactly the same as well, with comfortable Honda Magic seats being part of the cabin. Additionally, there is ample headroom and legroom to have a typical grown-up in the leading and back end seating. The taller people might face some troubles which are not assisted with a sloping roofline. However, the 2023 Kia Soul delivers greater headroom and legroom for the front side seat travelers. Even for the back chair occupants, the Heart and Soul provides more outstanding headroom way too. However, the 24.2 cubic feet of cargo space available with the HR-V is the perfect in school. That is followed by Kia Heart and Soul with 24.2 cubic foot of storage. 2023 Honda HR-V Sport Engine. Driving the 2023 Honda HR-V is identical 1.8 L normally aspirated engine in the sociable model. This 1.8 L 4 cooking pot engine, which does the responsibilities on each of the a number of trims, starting from a base MSRP of $21,020 and going all the way to $27,320 for your XL clip, consistently set out 141 horsepower and 127 lb-ft of torque, and will come mated to the identical CVT transmitting All trims may also offer AWD for an choice, which makes the 2023 Honda HR-V a genuine all-year vehicle. Nonetheless, it fees $1,500 more than the regular FWD HR-Vs. In addition to that, the multiple-step CVT transmission does a significant work in putting the energy straight down. Nevertheless, still it preserves the traditional CVT characteristic and can feel very sluggish whenever you put your foot lower. The HR-V also incorporates multiple driving a vehicle settings and paddle shifters way too. 2023 Honda HR-V Sport price and release date. The 2023 Honda HR-V comes with the very same 1.8L naturally aspirated inline-4 motor unit that can perform, producing 141 HP. Although the car is provided in several various trims, specifically LX, Sport, X, and XL, every one of the trims obtain the same motor along with a typical CVT transmission. Beginning at the basic price of $21,020 for that LX toned and moving all the way to $25,820 for your XL toned, the 2023 HR-V also will get a non-obligatory AWD just for $1,500 much more. Since there are no changes being brought about for that My 2023, we are able to assume the Honda HR-V hitting showrooms at some point after the new year.